evening, everybody.
Good evening.
I don't need to ask you all how the meeting was because I can hear it from your voices and the enthusiasm in your applause. So I think you had a fantastic meeting. So let me start off with the good points as well as the areas of improvement for business excellence. First of all, a very enthusiastic opening by our Sergeant at Arms. Our VP Education. Only thing I think I missed during the VP Education's presidential address was the lungi dance. Because the moment he came up and he wore the lungi, I said, okay, next thing he's going to do is a lungi dance. But quite courageous of you to even try out wearing the lungi in front of the audience. So, thank you for that fantastic start of the meeting. Well, it's really commendable to see so many guests and Toastmaster guests as well. I tried to keep track, but eventually I lost track of the number of non-Toastmasters as well as Toastmasters who came into the meeting. Okay. BATM members. You have the attendance.
You have team.
So that shows the team's effort in ensuring that everybody attends the meeting and also in trying to bring guests from other clubs. So good job, XCOM, especially the VPPR and VP membership.
Especially today.
And Noor. Okay. I shall come back to the Toastmaster of the day a little later. For the word master. An excellent word. It was a tongue twister. Many people tried to use the word perspicuous. But one thing I would like to say is, although everybody tried using the word, try saying it 2-3 times before you come up and you really say it. I understand that the word was difficult, but practice and eventually you will get the word. And it should not be just confined to the Toastmasters meeting, you should use it elsewhere as well. One suggestion for you, your voice is a little soft. So wear the mic whenever you come on stage, be it for any role, just wear the mic so that everybody in the audience can hear you. Well, the round robin was very well conducted, and although the word was difficult, it is commendable that everybody attempted it. I understand it was difficult, but attempting it was a very big deal. So a huge round of applause for everybody for it. As far as the project speeches are concerned, there's one thing I would like you all to note is almost all the speakers who came up on stage today were fiddling with their hands. Either one was standing like this, or else clasping their fingers, or playing with their cufflinks. I would suggest avoid these things because it gives a very casual approach to your speech. And another thing, use a mic. No matter whether you're loud or soft, use a mic so that we all can listen to your speech. Whenever there's a voice modulation and you want to go soft, sometimes we will not be able to hear you. So remember this. Just one point for each of the speakers. Toastmaster Imran, I would say practice so that there's fluidity in your speech, and you attend to the word of the day in your speech, which was a very big deal. So good job. Madam Toastmaster Amani, what I didn't like was you were standing behind the table. Avoid that and come in front because you did have confidence. But standing behind the table, sometimes you looked a little nervous. So be there in front so that we all can see you properly. But what I liked about your speech was inspiration. And why I say inspirational is because many women here will agree that you showed true women power and you showed that a woman can stand up for herself. So good job. Toastmaster Samir, what I liked about your speech was your voice modulation. The way you mimicked your son and when he came up to you with a question, Dada, that's what I liked. But when you are giving a speech, start off with your speech. If you are nervous, don't start off by saying anything in general or randomly. Just stand here, look at the audience, and then begin. Control your nervousness. You know the tip. Toastmaster Khalid, I'm amazed with your enthusiasm. the kind of enthusiasm you showed in giving your project one, I really look forward to all your speeches. Because you had that thing of coming up on stage and saying, come on, I need the applause, everybody applaud for me louder, that will encourage me. That was really commendable. And also, your presence of mind of connecting somebody from the audience into your speech, like Balaji. So that is a good thing, but please keep track of time. Toastmaster Vinay. What I liked was, there was one point where the audience interrupted in your speech. You paused for a second and then you still continued, which is remarkable for a Project One speaker. Not everybody can do it. There are people who tend to forget their speech, but you continued with it. So good job there. As far as the table topic master is concerned, very good topics. What I liked was the way you were introducing everybody and calling them up on stage. It was almost like a TMOD. One thing, enunciate. By enunciation, I mean open your mouth and say every word so that the person opposite listening to you gets what you're trying to say. And when a guest comes, I know it's a nice way of calling them Miss Portugal, but ask them for their name after they come on stage and they then take their name and then say, okay, this is your topic. One more thing, area of improvement is time. We started our meeting on time, but I guess we are at least half an hour late in ending it.
No.
5 minutes.
No, 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
5 minutes.
9:30.
Yeah.
It's 9:30.
Yeah.
5 minutes late.
Okay, so whatever, we are late. We are still late. 5 minutes late.
Now it's you.
It's okay.
I'm towards the end.
It's okay.
And if a project speaker, okay, I understand for project one, we need to encourage them and let them exceed time and explain to them later on that you should control it. But if a project two speaker or a project three speaker, project two onwards, somebody has exceeded time, they should not be qualified for voting. Because we are trying to train them for the contest, and if we let them go, it's going to be difficult. I know I'm overshooting time myself, but there is one point that I have to say. Toastmaster Noor, from the time I joined Business Excellence, I wanted something where, a meeting where we could all dress up and come. And today you gave that opportunity. So I'm very thankful to you. His theme was becoming
Let's
a global...
elaborate. We always dress up and come.
Dress up, I mean fancy dress up. Another thing I've noticed is the audience talks a lot when the speeches are being given. Please control that. Let the person on stage finish what they are saying and then give your comments. Very important to maintain decorum. Okay? Yes, for the Toastmaster of the evening. Very well conducted meeting. He kept the theme going throughout, and he didn't just cover the nationalities. He also covered the future of truly becoming a global citizen and how we could make a difference for the future. So Toastmaster of the day, hats off to you.
Yeah.
Fantastic job. Of the meeting, president of this is okay. Toastmaster of the day. We can't have enough.